What's up, everybody? So I wanted to actually do a review on this ProtoArt brush pen. So I had got this brand new one here from Amazon, and I wanted to compare it to the others I had. So what I first need is an illustration. So I'm trying to think of what to draw here. Just kind of start freestyling some stuff. So it is not in English. It's can't quite tell you what it all means. However, it's going to be pretty straightforward. So it comes with a few little replacements. And although these look like they're disposable, you can actually refill these things with ink if you want to. So that's just the body of it. It's very light plastic. So you can see there's no ink in the tip, so it's just a white, clear brush tip. So one of these. You can see there's like a little ball bearing that kind of keeps the ink from falling out of there. And all you really do is kind of compress it down. It's kind of a trip how large this body is, being that this is all the ink that's in there. But anyway, you get your little ink. You'll hear it pop as the ball goes down there. So now that's pushed up. It'll take a minute for the ink to kind of flow to the tip. Okay, through the magic of editing, the ink is pretty much flowed to the tip there. It didn't take too long, but as you can see, you can like get a lot of line variation. So if I'm pressing hard, you'll see the bristles kind of spread out. I can get thicker lines. You can get like a dry brush effect and get really thin lines. So I like the variety of this thing. And because, like I said, you can like refill these if you want. You can buy different color inks from different places like jet pens and stuff if you don't want to buy them off of larger companies like Amazon, you know. But you can get like red, blue, whatever color they have really, and refill your brush pen. So what I like to do when I had some like old water brush pens that were kind of falling apart on me, would use a little bit of ink in there and water it down significantly, and basically use that for like an ink wash. Again, you do whatever you want with your art, but it's kind of a cool little option to have. Yeah, I'm just being really sloppy with this, but you get the idea. I like this. It's really well balanced. Like, I'm not used to having such a long barrel, considering you only have like that much ink in the thing. But it's enough to get the job done. And I like that it's not like consistent lines, so you get like textured kind of stuff. You can always use like fine liners to go in and get some cool detail. It's kind of like freestyle faces if you want there. there you go. But anyway, yes, so this is a Kurutaki brush pen. I'll have a link in the description below if you want to play around with this yourself. So this particular one came with 2 refills, but you can also refill these yourself. There are other supplies you can get, like a ink syringe, which looks like a syringe but a thicker needle. And once you place this in the pen, it pushes the ball bearing down and it's free and rolls around. That's how it mixes the ink. But once that's ran out, you can get your own color ink and using the ink syringe, fill it back up. Or if you have like a dropper or something, you could do the same thing. Anyway, guys, I will talk to you soon. Hopefully you enjoyed this quick little demo. Have a good afternoon.